What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send money from the UK to the Philippines using the TapTap Send app. So let's get started. Now guys, if this is your first time sending money using TapTap Send, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it right here. As you can see, I've got some bonus credit, and if you use that promo code, you will get £15 on your next TapTap Send transfer. So don't miss that opportunity to get some free funds on your transfer. And now let's continue. So first off, once you open up your TapTap Send app, you will be on your home page. So right here, all you would need to do is just select Philippines from this menu right here. I have it already selected, so I will just leave it at that. Now, as you can see here, I have euros. That's because I inputted my EU address, but if you input your UK address, you will have pounds as a currency here. So let's say that I want to transfer £5 to Philippines. I will just input 5 right here and tap on next. Now right here, all you would need to do is add a new recipient. So let's go ahead and select that. And here, depending on the preference of your recipient, you would need to select one of the delivery methods. So you have bank account, Gcash, MayaPay, etc, etc. So for this example, let's go ahead and select Gcash. Now on this screen, you would need to input the full name of the recipient and their Gcash related phone number. So once you input that, you just tap on next. Now after you tap on next and you've added your recipient, this will be the screen that you will see. So from here you will be able to select a payment method, but before doing so, don't forget to add a promo code right here. You can get one from the description below, which will give you £15 extra on your transfer. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds. Now if you scroll down, you would be able to see the payment method, and if you would like to change it, you just tap on this change button. But I would like to leave it with Google Pay. Now once you selected all that, you can just go ahead and tap on Pay and just confirm the transaction right here once my Google Pay loads up. And there we go guys. This is how you can transfer money from the UK to Philippines using the TapTap Send app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.